Yeful Skincare Company is a premier OEM ODM skincare manufacturer specializing in the research, formulation, and production of high-quality cosmetic and skincare products. We offer custom skincare solutions, private label manufacturing, and contract manufacturing services, catering to brands, wholesalers, and distributors worldwide. As a key partner of the Guangdong Provincial Institute of Traditional Chinese Medicine in the Herbal Cosmetics Research Center, Yeful is dedicated to innovation in herbal skincare and advanced cosmetic formulations. Since our establishment in 2014, we have obtained GMP and ISO 22716 certifications, ensuring compliance with global quality and safety standards. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility features 100,000 level dust-free and sterile production workshops, equipped with world-class skincare production lines. Backed by an experienced R&D team, including 5 experts and 5 engineers, we specialize in custom skincare development, offering high-performance serums, creams, lotions, masks, and more. Yeful has established long-term partnerships with leading pharmaceutical and cosmetic companies, ensuring strict quality control, cutting-edge formulations, and innovative product development. Our expertise in skincare customization, private label solutions, and bulk production enables brands to launch market-ready high-performance skincare products efficiently. With a strong focus on sustainability, clean beauty, and advanced skincare technology, Yeful is committed to delivering exceptional OEM/ODM skincare manufacturing services for global beauty brands, skincare startups, and cosmetic enterprises.